How to install Say What WordPress plugin. Say What plugin allows you to alter any text on your site without editing WordPress core or plugin code. Simply enter the current text and what you want to replace it with, and the plugin will automatically do the rest. Isn't it great? Before we start, for your information, we will upload video series related to various types of WordPress tutorials. So, if you interested in WordPress plugin tutorials video, please subscribe our channel for more update. Now, let's see. Go to your WordPress site, head over on the plugin menu and click Add New button. Now, write Say What in the search bar. Plugin will appear within a second. Next you have to click Install Now button, and your plugin is ready to activate. Now go to Tools and click Text Change option. Here you can change any text in your website. That's it for now. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one.